Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the time on an iPhone easily. These will be step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see here, this is my old iPhone, one of my older iPhones actually, and I just use it for videos like this. I don't know why it's saying Ottawa. I actually live in Toronto, not in Ottawa, so I'm not sure why it's saying that. Probably because I have location services turned off as far as I know, but anyways, here's how to change the time. You're gonna go to your settings app. So I have my settings app right over here. I'm just gonna make sure that nothing is showing that I don't want to be shown. Yeah, Wi-Fi is off. I don't want anybody to see my Wi-Fi network, so it's set to off. It's all good. So from your settings over here, there's nothing, no information. As you can see, I just wanted to double check. From your settings, you're gonna scroll down and go to General. You're gonna click General. Now on your general screen, you're gonna look for date and time, okay? And we're gonna scroll down, date and time is right over there. I'm gonna click date and time, and you have a few options here. So you can turn on 24-hour time, which is like, the 24-hour clock. When you say like it's 400 hours, it's like 4 in the morning, or it's gonna be like 1600 hours, it's gonna be like 4 in the afternoon, right? You can turn that on, or you can turn this off, set automatically. If I turn off set automatically, I can choose a time zone, obviously, as you can see right here, but you can set the date and time manually now. So February 1st, 2022, believe it or not, that's actually when I'm filming this. You're probably going to see this much later because I schedule a lot of content in advance, and I'm jam-packed with videos that I've done to schedule out. But February 1st, 2022, 1:18 p.m. You can click this to change this. So I can click right there. You can see once again it says February 1st, 2022. I can choose a different date if I want right here, or I can choose a different time. So let's say I wanted it to be February 3rd. Right? Let's say I wanted to set my date as February 3rd, 2022. I could click that. So February 3rd, 2022, and then the time I could click here. And instead of 1:18 p.m., let's say I moved to a different location and it is now 4:18 p.m. Okay? So 4:18 p.m., I could set it like that. Done. It's literally that simple. So February 3rd, 2022, 4:18 p.m. That's how you would change the time and also the date manually on an iPhone easily. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.